Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shailah.leshe and I'm bringing you this DIY hair mask that literally grew my hair from 2 inches to inches. Okay, I got hang time now. Okay, all from doing this hair mask and my deep conditioning mask that I'm going to show you in my next video. But right now I'm showing you my hair mask tutorial. This will literally get your hair so long, so fast, and so healthy so fast. I mean, everybody's body is different, everybody's hair is different, everybody is going to react to it differently, but this is what worked for me and I'm sure it will work for you as well. Hopefully, fingers crossed, but this is what worked for me and this is how I got my hair from so super short to the length that it is now. I can't show y'all all of the ingredients that I use for this mask, unfortunately, because I will be selling it soon because it really works, y'all. This is not just because, oh, she's just trying to show this because she's trying to sell it or anything like that. Like, I'm not just trying to put on just to sell it. Like, it really works and I would not recommend it to you guys if it didn't and if I didn't believe in it. So I don't want to give all my secrets of everything that I put in it, but I will show you a few of my ingredients that I do put in it. I will show you the process of how I make it, but I'm telling you, it really truly works. It really does. It'll get your curls back popping and healthy. If you have those stringy straight pieces, it'll snap your curls back, snap my curls back from all the damage that I had from straightening my hair. It really just makes my hair so healthy and curly again and I just love it. And before we get into this video, please like this video right now, hit the like button right now, and also subscribe if you are not subscribed already so you can stay up to date with the beauty tips that I give you and the fashion tips and all that good stuff. So definitely subscribe to my channel right now. I would truly appreciate it. And thank you guys for all your love and support. So let's get into it. Alright, so first I'm gonna start off by taking an avocado and adding that to my mixture. Then I'm gonna take an egg and add that. Next, I like to take different types of hair oils and add that to my mixture. It can be raw hair oils. It doesn't have to be the store-bought ones from the beauty supply, but that's just what I used for this particular mask. It will still work the same. It'll still give you the same nutrients that you need in your hair. And now I'm just adding a couple of tablespoons of coconut oil. I also like to add my favorite hair strengthening vitamins, and as you see, I'm just opening up the capsules and adding them to the mixture. And for this particular one, it doesn't come in a capsule, so I'm just gonna blend it and add that to the mixture. So now I have everything I need for the hair mask mixture. So now I'm just gonna blend all of this together. This is what it ends up looking like. It's just green and liquidy. So I personally don't like my mixture like super runny like this. So I normally stick it in the freezer and let it harden just a little bit. Not too hard, but just enough where it gets a little more texture. And then when I blend it again, it turns into like a custardy type of paste. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this in the freezer. You'll see what I'm talking about once I freeze it and blend it. It turns into this really nice custardy texture. So yeah. Okay guys, it's time to take it out. I transferred it to a smaller cup, it's more convenient, but it should be like, it shouldn't be too frozen, but just enough to where like you can blend it and it'll turn into like a custard. Okay, so as you see, it's nice and solid. I scooped around the edges of the cup so I can get it right in the middle of the blender. And so now I'm just gonna blend this lightly. It's like a custard now, as you can see. It's like a whipped custard type of consistency, and that's what I wanted. I didn't want it to be too runny, so I like that it's like creamy and thick. So now it's ready to be put on my hair. Okay, so normally with my hair mask, I just put it on my hair without washing it. Like, I washed this like 2 days ago or something, so it's not like super dirty hair or anything. It's okay to not put it on freshly washed hair. Like, it's okay. That's what I normally do. I normally don't wash my hair before I put the hair mask on. I wash it afterwards. But when I do my deep conditioning, I wash my hair, condition my hair, then do my deep conditioner when I do my deep conditioning treatment. You want to make sure that you have some gloves, because if you have nails, it gets really messy, and you know, you just don't want it to get all underneath your nails and stuff. So you want to make sure you have gloves. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section off my hair into 4 sections and add the hair mask to each section, and then put my shower cap on. So as you see, I have straight pieces in the front of my hair from my leave out, from straightening my leave out. It's not curly like the rest of my hair. And so I'm going to show you how I get that part back nice and healthy after a few months of doing this treatment. But now I'm just going to section off my hair into 4 sections and brush it out and begin to add the hair mask to each section of my hair. I like to make sure it's nice and saturated so my hair is just drenched in the mask. I like to take the rest of the hair mask and just pour it all over my hair so it could just penetrate deep into my scalp. So after I'm done, I just tie my hair up and put my shower cap on, and I like to double my shower caps because it gets very messy. Next, I'm just gonna add my scarf to my hair and add my bonnet, and then I'm ready to go to bed. Alright, so I'm gonna let this mask marinate overnight, and I will see you guys in the morning. I love doing this mask, you guys. It literally makes your hair so soft, so healthy. Your curls snap back so quickly. Like, you really won't be disappointed when these masks drop and you get these masks, you guys. Like, you're gonna really love it. I thought it was gonna take so long for my hair to like grow back long after cutting it all off to like 3 inches. Like, I thought it was gonna take years and years for it to grow back, but I literally was consistent with this hair mask and my deep conditioner, and my hair grew back so long, so quickly. But I haven't done this in like months, maybe a year or so. Like, I haven't done this in over a year. So now I'm getting back to it, and y'all seen that damaged part that I had. I'm gonna show y'all how I get that damaged part back healthy. The curls will be refined and defined, and it's gonna look so nice, and my hair is gonna grow so long. So I'm gonna give y'all an update of what my hair looks like in a few months, so you can see that I'm not joking. Like, this is for real, like it really worked. But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated, so definitely click the subscribe button if you want to see my hair journey, and if you're just interested in getting your hair back from damaged and brittle to healthy, long, and strong. Okay, and don't forget to like this video while you edit. So I'm gonna let this marinate overnight, and I will see you guys in the morning. You see how you can already see the definition in my curls from doing this hair mask? It's already like super penetrated into my hair, and it just makes my curls pop. Okay, so this is my hair freshly washed. It just is super soft, it's super luscious, it has a lot of shine to it. I did have to wash my hair 3 times though, so just so you know, because it's just so much oils in it, like it's super oily. And so I did wash it 3 times, but it feels really moisturized. It feels really good. Like you will literally feel the difference in your hair, like after you take off the mask. Like your hair just feels so good. All right, you guys, I'm about to go to the gym. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below on this video. I truly appreciate all your support, you guys. Comment down below and tell me if you guys ever tried a hair mask before and what you like putting in your hair mask. Just let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.